Are you looking for a home that's centrally located in one of the most impeccable locations in Vancouver? I'm Denise Mai.
And this is Malika Vajaya. Today we have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, almost 950 square feet of a newly updated and move-in ready home.
And we can't wait
to give you a tour.
Step into the bright and spacious living room featuring stunning hardwood flooring, fresh paint, and modern light fixtures. Perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The renovated kitchen shines with modern cabinets and sleek Caesarstone quartz countertops, both stylish and functional.
Down the hall, you'll find 2 generously sized bedrooms, each offering a calm and serene space with the same beautiful hardwood flooring and modern touches that makes this home special. The bathroom features sleek updated fixtures and a clean modern design, providing a refreshing space for your daily routine. Complete with the double parking tandem, this home is as practical as it is beautiful.
The convenience and the location of this home is unbeatable. You've got Vancouver General Hospital within walking distance. You got tons of restaurants, public transit, Granville Island, and of course this area is so dog friendly, perfect for families and even medical professionals. If you want to take a look at this amazing property, feel free to contact either one of us. My name is Denise Mai.
And this is Malika Vajaya, and we can't wait to give you a private tour.